Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T and let me show you how to set the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Now let's tap on the lock screen, and here on the very first position we've got sleep option, so let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got some options to choose from. We can set either 15 or 30 seconds or 1 to 5, 10 minutes. What's more, we can set never, so this device will never black out. Now we've got 30 seconds applied, but if you want to change it, then simply tap on the time you want to use, for example 10 minutes. And as you can see, it is immediately applied, and from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So that's all. This is how to set the timeout in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 8T. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.